World. Now, this lady amazed us taking the Miss World Talent title, but now she takes to the stage for her biggest ever performance. With I Have Nothing, it's Jamaica!
My color is for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much. Just all that you are and everything that you do. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. You there, don't you walk away from me, no, 'cause I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you, if I don't have you.
So you asked me a question to make me cry. Well, okay. The most inspiring woman to me is my mother. Now I must say, if my mother and my father are the roots and I am the tree, then really any work that I do, anything that I'm able to change in the world, it is the fruits of their labor. I have watched her pour everything into me, even at the sacrifice of her own wants and her own needs, and that's why I'm able to sit before you today. Thank you.